Today I am touring you a most spacious and a renowned developer project which is a ready to move in project in Bandra. This I am touring a 3-bed residence of 1400 plus carpet. Let me tell you about the project first. This is a ready to move in project and it's designed by a renowned designer Hafeez Contractor. This project having 45 plus luxury amenities. You just name the amenities, we have the amenities. All the amenities are ready in this tower. You can't imagine what kind of amenities they are building. This is, as I told you, 1400 plus carpet. Let me show you from the start, from the living room. As you enter, this is the 3-bed residence and having a 5 bathrooms in this 3-bed residence. You can't imagine, this is the whole luxury township project. Over here you will get a definition of luxury, premiumness and space. Everywhere you will go, you will feel the luxury lifestyle, you will feel the premiumness and you will feel the space in every apartment. This is the 3 BHK. You will get 10.5 feet of floor to ceiling height. It's rare to find in Bandra, let me tell you guys. You can come over here. This is a 5-seater dining table which is already assigned, and this is the huge living room. Have a look to the huge living room. Okay, as you come from to your living room, you have 2 sides. First is this side, second is this side. Over here you will have a kitchen plus a 1 bedroom, and over here you will get 2 master bedroom and an extra washroom also. So let me show you first my left hand side 2 apartments. This is the huge first walk-in wardrobe you will get over here with a attached dry area and wet area. As you come over here, you will get a huge space of your bedroom. This is the master bedroom. Every 3 bedroom is master bedrooms, and with a huge balcony. This is the kind of balcony you are going to get from your apartment. There are 2 balconies we are going to give you in this Bandra luxurious project. As you come outside, on the right hand side you will get 1 more master bedroom. This is the huge bathroom area and this is the huge living room. You can design this for your kids or a guest bedroom according to your convenience. And this is the extra dry area and wet area. You can see this is the extra dry area and wet area. And as you come along, as you enter again into the living room, I will show you the kitchen, the mom's, sister, wife's favorite place. This is the huge balcony. You can create a storage space also over there or keep the washing machine and everything according to you. This is the space for fridge unit. You can keep a big fridge over here. And as you come along, you can see your mom will cook a good food for you and serve it for you over here. Okay, you can come with me over here. This is the final 3rd master bedroom. This could be for your kids or for your guests. This will be for your kids or for your guests. So you can come. This is also a master bedroom. As I told you, all the bedrooms are with the master bedroom, and you will get also 2 extra toilets over here. So this is all about the project. If you're interested to buy a ready to move in project in Bandra or a luxurious, spacious, premium project in Bandra, this project is made for you. I'm not telling you to buy this apartment. I'm telling you to have a look for this apartment, how the apartment is made, how the project is made, how the amenities are designed. It's just made for your convenience and lifestyle. So if you're interested, you can connect our team. Our team of advisors can help you to find your dream home and most investment opportunity. So this 3 BHK 1400 plus carpet area pricing start from 9 CR. They also having a 4 BHK carpet also, a spacious home also they are available. 4 BHK, 3 BHK also they have available in multiple variants. They have a 950 plus carpet area also for 3 BHK, and I am touring you right now is for 1400 carpet area for 3 BHK. So they have multiple variants. If you are interested, you can connect my team of advisors, and my advisors team will connect you and help you to find your dream home according to your requirement, budget, and preference. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.